In this video, I'll show you how to compare Grok AI and Perplexity AI in 2026. Grok and Perplexity are both useful AI tools, but they can have different features, search capabilities, response styles, and workflows. Comparing them can help you choose the right tool for your needs. First, open Grok AI and Perplexity AI on your computer. To get a fair comparison, use the same prompts on both platforms. Start with a general question. Enter exactly the same question into both tools and compare how they understand your request, organize the answer, and provide useful information. Next, test their research capabilities. Ask both tools the same question that requires current or detailed information. Pay attention to how each platform presents sources, references, or supporting information when those features are available. You can also compare writing performance. Give both AI tools the same task, such as creating an article outline, rewriting a paragraph, or drafting an email. Then compare the clarity, tone, structure, and usefulness of the results. Another useful test is summarization. If file or document features are available, provide the same supported content to both services and ask them to summarize it. Compare whether the important information is preserved and how easy the summary is to understand. You can also test follow-up questions. Start with the same topic and continue the conversation with several related questions. This can help you compare how well each AI maintains context throughout a longer conversation. If you use AI for coding, give both platforms the same programming problem. Compare their explanations, code quality, debugging suggestions, and ability to understand your requirements. Always test generated code before using it. When comparing Grok and Perplexity, don't focus only on response length. Consider accuracy, source quality, research features, speed, writing ability, ease of use, and the tools you actually need. You should also check the current pricing and plan features if you are considering a paid subscription, because these can change over time.